Want to make your Canva design interactive? Today, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to any image in Canva. Perfect for linking to YouTube videos, websites, or social media pages. It's quick, simple, and super useful. So, let's get started. First, open your Canva design and add your image. Select the image or element you want to link or like a play button. Click the three dots on the top right, then tap link. Paste your URL and press enter, then hit done. Link multiple parts of the image to make sure it's fully clickable. And that's it. Your image is now linked. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.